How have clinical trials evolved since unethical experiments? Imagine a time when medical research was a bit of a free-for-all, with little regard for patient safety or rights. That was the reality before strict rules and ethical standards changed the game. Today, clinical trials are carefully designed studies that test new treatments or drugs on volunteers. They follow specific steps to make sure the results are reliable and that participants are protected. But how did we get from those early days to the well-regulated process we have now? In the past, clinical trials were often informal and lacked controls. The first known controlled trial was conducted by James Lind in 1747. He tested treatments for scurvy among sailors by dividing them into groups and comparing outcomes. This was a big step because it introduced the idea of comparing different treatments systematically. However, it did not include modern safeguards like informed consent or ethics review. In the 1800s, researchers started using placebos, substances with no real effect, to better understand if treatments really worked. For example, Austin Flint's study on rheumatism in 1863 used a placebo to compare the effects of different remedies. This helped reduce bias and made results more trustworthy. Moving into the 20th century, new methods like double-blind trials were developed. In these studies, neither the participants nor the researchers know who is getting the real treatment or the placebo. This reduces bias even further and makes the results more accurate. These improvements came as awareness grew about the importance of ethics in research. Unethical experiments in the past, such as those that caused harm without informing patients or getting their consent, led to the creation of strict rules. Today, all clinical trials are overseen by ethics committees that review protocols to ensure safety and fairness. Patients must give informed consent, meaning they fully understand the risks and benefits before participating. Trials are now conducted in phases. The first phase tests safety and dosage on a small group. The second phase looks at effectiveness and side effects. The third phase involves larger groups to confirm results and compare with existing treatments. After successful completion, the treatment can be approved for wider use. Transparency is also a key part of modern trials. Researchers are required to register their studies and report results honestly. This helps prevent misconduct and ensures the public can trust the findings. All these changes mean that clinical trials today are safer, more ethical, and more reliable than ever before. They are designed to protect patients while helping develop new treatments that can improve health worldwide. Understanding this history helps patients see how much care and oversight go into the process of bringing new medicines to the market.